Hello there. Today, I'm talking about something powerful, something real. It's the law of attraction, and it works in ways you might never have imagined before. You might have heard of it. People say that if you think about something long enough, the universe will bring it to you. But here's the thing, it's not just about thinking. It's about how you think, what you feel, and how you align yourself with abundance. Now, imagine this. What if you could set your mind in a way that opens up the floodgates of money into your life? What if there was a method so simple yet so effective that all you needed was to adjust your energy to start seeing wealth come in? Here's the truth, money isn't something you chase. It's something that comes to you when you vibrate at the right frequency. So, if you're tired of struggling or feeling like you're stuck in a financial rut, it's time to shift your mindset and learn how to attract abundance. It all begins with one simple change in the way you think. The first thing you need to understand is that money is energy. Just like everything else in the universe, money is a form of energy that flows. If you're constantly in a state of lack or scarcity, you're blocking that flow. But when you shift your mindset to one of abundance, that energy can flow freely. And guess what happens when that happens? Money finds its way to you effortlessly. Now, it's not about sitting around and waiting for checks to arrive in the mail. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of abundance. That means you need to start thinking as if you already have all the money you need. You have to feel abundant, even when your bank account doesn't yet reflect that. Here's an exercise for you to start with. Close your eyes and imagine what it would feel like if you had all the money you ever wanted. Picture yourself living in your dream home, driving the car you've always wanted, taking vacations whenever you feel like it. How does that feel? That feeling of freedom, of security, of joy. Now, hold on to that feeling. The key here is to feel it as if it's already happening. The universe responds to your vibration, and if you're vibrating with abundance, guess what? Abundance will be drawn to you. But there's more to it than just imagining and feeling. The next step is to believe. You have to truly believe that you deserve all the wealth and abundance in the world. A lot of people struggle with this because they have limiting beliefs that money is hard to get, or that they're not worthy of wealth. If you've ever thought like that, you need to change your story. You are worthy of abundance. There is more than enough money in the world for everyone, and there's no limit to what you can attract. Start affirming this to yourself daily. Tell yourself, I am worthy of abundance, and really believe it. You have to eliminate the doubts and replace them with thoughts of certainty. When you start believing that wealth is your birthright, you'll be amazed at how things begin to change. Now, I know it can be hard to believe something that hasn't yet shown up in your life. But that's the nature of the law of attraction. It works on faith. Faith that what you want is already on its way, even if you can't see it yet. Just like a seed you plant in the ground, you can't see it sprouting right away, but you trust that with time, it will. The same goes for your financial desires. Trust that the money you're manifesting is on its way, even if the physical evidence hasn't shown up yet. The next step to manifesting money is to take inspired action. This means doing things that feel right, things that align with your goals. When you're focused on abundance, opportunities will present themselves to you. You'll feel inspired to take steps you might not have considered before. Maybe it's a business idea, a new job opportunity, or an investment. Whatever it is, listen to your intuition and take action when it feels right. But here's the thing, action without belief doesn't work. You can work as hard as you want, but if you're not in alignment with the energy of abundance, it's going to be a struggle. So, focus first on the energy, and then take the inspired action that follows. Another powerful way to invite more money into your life is by practicing gratitude. It's so simple, yet so effective. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrations you can emit, and when you express gratitude for what you already have, you're telling the universe that you're open to receiving even more. Start by being thankful for the money you have, no matter how small the amount may seem. When you shift your focus from what you don't have to what you do have, you'll start to see more money flow into your life. Think about it. When someone gives you a gift, how do you respond? With appreciation, right? Now imagine the universe is giving you a gift of abundance. Are you saying thank you? Are you appreciating the blessings in your life, no matter how big or small they are? When you express genuine gratitude for the money you have, the universe responds by bringing even more. If you've been struggling to make ends meet or wondering why wealth hasn't come to you yet, I want you to take a moment and ask yourself, what are my beliefs about money? Do I believe there's not enough to go around? Or do I believe that wealth is abundant and available to me? Your beliefs shape your reality. If you're holding on to beliefs that money is hard to come by or that you don't deserve it, you're going to block the flow of abundance. It's time to let go of those limiting beliefs and replace them with ones that align with the life you want to create. The more you believe in your own ability to attract wealth, the more you'll see opportunities for financial growth and success. One thing many people overlook when it comes to manifesting money is the importance of self-worth. Your self-worth is directly tied to your ability to attract abundance. If you don't value yourself, it's hard to expect others to value you, including the universe. So, take a moment to acknowledge your own worth. You are deserving of everything you desire, including financial abundance. Start by treating yourself with the respect you deserve. Speak kindly to yourself, set healthy boundaries, and surround yourself with people who uplift you. When you feel worthy, you'll automatically attract more of what you deserve. Another key aspect to attracting money is to keep your mind open to new possibilities. Often, we get so stuck in our way of thinking that we miss out on opportunities that are right in front of us. Be open to new ideas, new ventures, and new ways of thinking about money. The universe is always working to bring opportunities to you, but it's up to you to recognize them. And finally, let's talk about patience. Manifesting wealth doesn't happen overnight, and it's important to understand that this process takes time. But just because you can't see the money yet doesn't mean it's not coming. The universe is working behind the scenes to bring you what you desire, and you need to trust that it's on its way. Stay focused, stay positive, and most importantly, stay grateful. You see, the key to making money explode in your life is not through struggle or force, it's through alignment, belief, and action. When you align your thoughts and energy with abundance, believe in your worthiness, take inspired action, and show gratitude for what you already have, money will flow to you in ways you never thought possible. It's important to remain patient as well. Many people get discouraged when they don't see instant results. But wealth and success take time to manifest. The universe is working on your behalf, but it operates on its own timeline. So, don't let impatience or doubt derail your progress. Keep believing, keep trusting, and keep taking inspired action. So, what will you do today to start attracting more wealth into your life? What beliefs will you change, and what actions will you take to align yourself with abundance? The choice is yours, and the power is in your hands. Remember, the universe is always ready to give you what you desire. It's just waiting for you to open up to it. Keep your thoughts positive, your energy high, and your actions aligned with your dreams. Soon enough, you'll see that money is no longer something you chase, it's something that comes to you effortlessly. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, just hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated. I'm here to bring you the tools and information you need to attract more wealth into your life, and by subscribing, you'll make sure you get every new video delivered straight to you.